Supervisor of Talakag 1. Sir Roniel T. Tinoy, our active and fatherly school principal, Talakag Central School faculty and staff, parents and fellow CELG and ESO officers. Good morning.
Good morning.
It is such an honor to be elected as your new CELG president for the school year 2024 to 2025. I am humbled that you placed your faith and trust in me, and I promise to do my duty for the good of our school and the studentry as well. I accept this challenge wholeheartedly and with perseverance to do things with honesty and cooperation among us officers. Let us all work hand in hand for the betterment of our school in academics and co-curricular activities. I'd like to thank my family and friends, my classmates and schoolmates, and all the teachers of this school for the trust and their unending support. Thank you to the student body for using your voice, your vote to express your confidence in me. Thank you for the opportunity to serve you. But most of all, to God for entrusting me to me this leadership. Thank you.